Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common vacuum maintenance for the iRobot Roomba Plus 505. If you're interested in the 505, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first things first, on the top of the vacuum, just make sure this front bumper here still has this wiggle and play, that it's operating properly. So just check this channel for any debris that might be affecting that. And you can wipe down the cover as well too. The gloss is definitely going to be a fingerprint magnet there. We have this removable textured cover, just pops right off, revealing our dustbin. So we can pop that out. We have filter access on the side right here. So we can open that up, right, and get in there and empty the dustbin. We can pop the filter off, clean everything out. You can replace the filter as needed. Very simple and easy to take care of the dustbin and the filter. You can always put your new filter back on. You can use compressed air to give your filter a lot of extra life. You can also peek in here to make sure there's no clogs or tangles. Snap your dustbin back on and in place. We'll go look at the front of the vacuum with our sensors right here. Make sure that's free from any dirt, dust. Just gently wipe that down with the microfiber cloth. Moving along to the backside, our charging contacts here. You can make sure those are free from any buildup. Same with this sensor on the side. And then flipping it over to the underneath, we have our two spring-loaded drive wheels. Not much to it there. You can always just check and use a brush if you have any debris starting to build up within the treads. The side brush, once it's worn out, you can easily pop that off and then snap a new one back on in place. We have a couple of clip sensors here. That's going to be what prevents it from driving down your steps. So make sure those are free from any obstructions. You don't want any dust blocking those. For the main brush, it's very easy to pop the brush off. And then you might notice, you will notice hair building up on both sides there. And on the brush itself, we actually have an arrow with a lock and unlock. It's going to be too hard to see with the camera. But in there, there's a lock and unlock icon. So basically, you just twist this to the lock or unlock position, and then it just pops right off. So you can easily pull all that hair out. And then, ours is in two pieces here. We can take this, and we can twist it back in place like that. And you can do that on the other side as well for any hair that's starting to accumulate there. And then we can just pop that right back in, snaps in place. And the mop pads, we can actually remove those. Very easy to remove. If you want to give them a deeper clean, you want to swap the mop pads, you can do that. Sometimes I like to throw these in the washing machine for a deeper clean. And you can just check there for anything else, but very easy to wash, clean, and maintain your Roomba Plus 505.